Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is mean. Here is a picture of someone who means to help. Here is mean in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Mean means intend to convey, indicate, or refer to something. Mean. Past progressive was meaning, past meant. Present progressive meaning, present, mean, and future will mean. Let's build a sentence. He meant. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. He meant, what? What did he mean? He meant to say. Let's build a sentence. He meant to say, what? What did he mean to say? He meant to say that you look beautiful. Aw, that's sweet. Let's build a sentence. He meant to say that you look beautiful. How? How did she look beautiful? In that dress. Oh, she's wearing a beautiful dress. Let's build a sentence. He meant to say that you look beautiful in that dress. Which dress? That you look beautiful in that red dress. Oh, I like red dresses too. They are beautiful. Let's build a sentence. He meant to say that you look beautiful in that red dress. What? What is the problem? It sounds like a nice thing. But it was too noisy to hear him. Oh, that's sad. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.